Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is Aurelia's Bibliotech. I want to do a hair video. I tried to film one recently, but I guess I ran too long and then for some reason it wouldn't save and it wouldn't play. So doing another one. Let's see if I can make this a little quicker. So I have this Prepoo. And I have this Prepoo. I don't have a lot left in here, but I'll just do half my head, half and half. So I'm trying to figure out which one I like better. I know which one feels better, but I'm still kind of like which one has the best results when I rinse it out. So I'm going to do a demo for the right side. Is going to have the African Pride, Aloe, and Coconut Water pre-shampoo. The left side is going to have the Main Choice Heavenly Halo Herbal Hair Tonic and Soy Milk Deep Hydration Prepoo. Now, I suffer from dryness in my hair, right, in the crown. And so I started using this Prepoo. These Prepoos probably about a year ago, right when COVID started. I got a bunch of these. And I'm trying to figure out which one my hair likes more. I found that my hair really doesn't like coconut that much. Coconut oil, so that's pretty much half the ingredients of the Prepoo. So I don't know whether it's having lasting moisture on my hair. And the Prepoo from the Main Choice, and I think I have two of these. Pull this one out. Okay. I thought I bought one, but I ended up buying two. But this one's almost out. Let's start with this one. Let's do this on the left side, right? So, put my hair in 4 sections. I normally don't section my hair because my hair is so thick when it's long. I just don't have the patience for that. So, this is what it looks like. It's pretty thick. Pretty thick. So, put it around this section. And I tend to not like things that make my hair really creamy white because I feel like it's not penetrating. Kind of have this mayonnaise kind of a feel. And I just recently started doing a wash day only because I was doing Curly Proverbs challenge, and it required me to shampoo my hair on the same day just to keep up with the calendar. But I quickly fell out of that after the month. And the only thing about this is really pricey. I'm looking at a sticker of $14.99. Meanwhile, my Prepoo is I think like $5 or $6, depending on where you go. My hair is really thick. I'm low porosity, and that's why I don't think my hair likes coconut oil. Let me just saturate it. And I can't find my extra clips. I usually have a bunch, but they kind of walk. They have legs. So, squeeze the rest of this out. And it has this orange color. And it kind of smells like candy to me. So, I've been working on trying Main Choice things, but I get sticker shock really easily. And Main Choice is a little pricey, and when you're in a place and you find other stuff that's just cheaper and you haven't tried it, think it'll work, you just tend to skip over the expensive things. So, after I shampoo and conditioner, I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay. That feels good. Feels really good. I think I have enough in there though. I like to put the oil on there, but for this experiment, figure I'd not. Hold on. So this is what the Main Choice looks like. The Prepoo. And I like stuff with milk. So this is the coconut water. You've seen it a million times on YouTube. And it's crazy slippery. And it's really just the aloe that's giving it that slip. So don't really need. I probably can do better like with a homemade. I could do a homemade Prepoo with the aloe and like an olive oil. Olive oil was literally what I used to use when I first went natural about a decade ago. I've been I permed it probably 2, 3, 4 times since I originally went natural. And now I'm sick of the perm. Sick of going back and forth. So I'm a lifetime natural now. I don't want to make this video too long. But as you can see, the difference is pretty noticeable. I have all of my bright bathroom lights on. This is, it looks like at the scalp. My hair is typically really thick. My hair's changed. I've had crazy postpartum hair change. Like my armpits don't even grow. TMI, right? My hair in general just is not growing like it used to. My baby took all my hair. Her hair is flourishing. Like I want to cut it so long. She's a toddler now. And I just don't want to do both heads. Especially since I'm trying to grow my hair out. So this is what it looks like. This just feels much better. If I look at both sides, they're both doing what they need to do, right? One's a little more defined. This is less defined. We'll see. I'll come back with the final results and show you guys. Auf Wiedersehen. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I have shampooed my hair after using the 2 Prepoos. I used, on the left side, I used the Main Choice. Right side, I used F. Brad Prepoo. And this is what it's looking like. I haven't conditioned it yet because I want to see how it looks. Because to me, when I was rinsing out, this side didn't feel as soft. Oh yeah. And this side felt softer, but let's do it. Is that the part? That looks like the part. Okay, so remember, this side had the Main Choice. And this side had the African Pride. Now, the African Pride definitely defined my hair. The other one, not so much. But if I'm feeling both sides, it's crazy. I feel like the left side is softer. And maybe it's that soy milk that's in the tonic. But the right side definitely doesn't feel softer. The right side is not as soft. The left side has more volume. The right side has less volume. And it feels a little tough. And maybe it's just the back of my hair. That's the driest part back here. But right now, if I had to choose before I went in with a conditioner, and this is the only thing I use on top of it, I use this one, Aunt Jackie's Oh So Clean Moisturizing and Softening Shampoo. Now, I've been using a clarifying shampoo, but I feel like it's been making my hair drier. So, maybe I'll try the clay wash next. So, I just want to show you guys, this is what's the Prepoos, the battle of the Prepoos. And it looks like I'm actually liking the African Pride less. And maybe it's just because it's cheap, you know. It's cheap, it has a lot of slip, it helps to detangles my hair really, really fast. But as far as lasting softness, it just doesn't have it when I put it right up against another Prepoo. So, I'll be testing more products out. Please thumbs up this video if you like this kind of content. You can thumbs it down if you don't like this type of content. And that's my meter stick. Whether I don't know is something my viewers want to see. Thanks for coming back to my page. This is Aurelia's Bibliothèque. Auf Wiedersehen.